So today I have a really simple pruning cut to do on my mango tree here, but it's small but important. I want to show you exactly how to do it before I just made this quick cut. So let me start by showing you the structure of the tree and why it needs pruned in the first place. So I always start by looking at the bottom, the base of the tree anytime I'm checking it out, and I'll just kind of like dig back the mulch and the bark, and I'm already seeing like a little root here, so I know that it's planted at the right depth. That's really important for fruit trees to make sure they don't rot. So going up the stem here, there's a baby branch coming out here. Eventually I'll probably take that off, but I'll leave it for now. And then at the second break here, this is the problem with the tree. See this Y here? That's called a codominant stem in arboriculture or tree care. And so instead of this tree having 2 leaders going up, I want to reduce the codominant and make more like 1 dominant leader. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna completely snip the other one off, but instead I'm just gonna prune it back a little bit right around here to reduce the dominance. So like I said, I have a couple options of where I can cut this tree. I'm trying to reduce the branch so there's 1 leader and then 1 secondary branch. And I could cut it like right about here where there's a nice whorl of leaves coming out, or I could cut it here at kind of the next whorl of leaves, or I could even cut it up here. So I'm just gonna go for the middle one. I do want this tree to stay a little low and branchy. And voila, there we go. There's my 1 cut. And now I have trimmed my mango, and this will branch out here. This will kind of become the main leader. And again, I'm gonna keep it pruned kind of short. So that's mango pruning, reducing codominant leaders in fruit trees. All right guys, so thanks for checking out my video on mango pruning in general, and subscribe and stay tuned for some more nerding out in the garden with Tia.